Hello. Today, I'm going to show you how to properly check your car's oil level. First, start the engine and let it idle for 30 to 60 seconds. This allows the oil filter to fill up. Then, turn off the engine and wait another 30 to 60 seconds so the oil can drain back into the oil pan. Next, pull out the dipstick and wipe it clean with a paper towel or a rag. Reinsert the dipstick fully, then pull it out again to check the oil level. The ideal oil level is at the max mark on the dipstick. If it's below that, go ahead and top it up until it reaches the max line. And that's it. You've successfully checked and refilled your engine oil.